Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you my Law of Attraction planner setup. Because I have some really huge goals for my business and for my life, I knew that getting into a growth mindset and having the proper motivation was critical, which is why I finally decided to go with this planner. If you missed the unboxing videos, you can catch them over here. I will also be doing monthly plan with me videos, so make sure you hit the bell to get notified as soon as those are uploaded. Unfortunately, with everything going on, I have not gotten as far as I have wanted to with this. However, starting from here with step 1, awareness and self-discovery on pages 16 and 17, I went through and I filled all this out. So I was able to move on to step 2, which is page 3 and 17, and you use this here to fill this out in the front. And then step 3, pages 18 through 21, 23, and 26. So, excuse me, page 18, 19, 20, and 21. And I did this in pencil in case there was anything that I wanted to change, which I might wind up doing. And then page 23, and I did not finish. And page 26, I did not finish because, like I said, I might be changing some of these. So I have not moved on to step 4 yet. As for the rest of the planner, I did start, like these pages I didn't do, I did start using it here in March, and I planned on a lot of stuff, which, again, with everything that happened so far this month, it kind of made it a little chaotic, but I did use the planner here and there, trying to, not this week, trying to get a feel for it. So I will be filling this out to start to fine-tune my goals and for April until the end of the year. I did decide for the monthly view, I'm going to use that as my ideas / content calendar. So after I go through and do these pages, I'll be filling this all out here for the goals. Now, in the back, with all the grid paper that was left over, instead of it going to waste, I decided to, and look at that, I skipped a few pages. Well, darn. Okay, I'll plan something else for there then. I decided to write out people that I already follow or people that I'm going to look into following on social media, on YouTube. I have Spotify, so the podcasts that they have, including some of my teammates. And then another section, and I just made these on my Word document and then printed them out on clear sticker paper. And then here, these are the books that I plan to or want to read. I haven't filled all of these out yet. But again, I just took a color pencil here and then I made and printed out these stickers because I'm not a very good artist when it comes to drawing. So I'll be adding those in. And that's pretty much it for the setup for right now. As I move along through these steps, I'll probably add those sections in to update with my monthly plan with me's, which will be coming shortly. Okay, that's my planner setup so far. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, be sure to leave them in the box below. If you're interested in getting your own planner, be sure to check the description box for the coupon codes that came in my planner. Make sure you click the notification bell so you'll know as soon as I upload any new videos. And remember, have a great day, have a great week, and I'll see you soon.